Welcome to Serene Shelter, where we help you create a beautiful home without breaking the bank. In today's video, we're going to uncover the 10 most expensive decorating mistakes that are all too common, and more importantly, how you can avoid them. Yes, we're talking about those costly missteps that have the power to drain your wallet and leave you with decor disappointment. But don't worry, these mistakes can easily be avoided with some forethought, planning, and a little bit of insider know-how. So, whether you're a seasoned home decorator or just starting out on your interior design journey, there's something in this video for everyone. We believe that a beautiful home should not cost the earth. And with these tips, you'll be well on your way to creating a space that's both stylish and sustainable. So, without further ado, let's dive in. Mistake number 1, overspending on furniture. It's easy to get carried away when you're furnishing your home, but shelling out big bucks doesn't always equate to better quality or style. This common error can put a significant dent in your wallet and leave you with less room for other essential decor items. To avoid this, create a budget before you start shopping and stick to it. Look for deals and discounts, but don't compromise on quality. Scout thrift stores or online marketplaces for unique, affordable pieces. Remember, a high price tag doesn't always mean high quality. Mistake number 2, ignoring scale and proportion. In the world of interior design, balance is key. Scale and proportion play a significant role in achieving this balance. When selecting furniture, consider the size of your room. A large, overstuffed sofa might look fantastic in the showroom, but it could overwhelm a small living room. Similarly, a petite side table might get lost in a spacious, high-ceilinged room. The trick here is to choose pieces that fit the scale of your room, creating a harmonious and balanced look. Keep in mind the size of your furniture should complement the size of your space. Moving on to mistake number 3 to 7. Mistake number 3, neglecting lighting. Lighting is more than functional. It sets the mood and highlights your decor. A common error is relying solely on overhead lighting. To avoid this, incorporate different light sources, such as floor lamps, table lamps, and even candles, to create a cozy and inviting atmosphere. Next up, mistake number 4, overmatching. While it might seem tempting to match everything for a cohesive look, it can often lead to a space feeling flat and uninspired. The key to avoiding this is balance. Mix different textures, colors, and patterns to add depth and interest to your space. Mistake number 5, clutter. Clutter can make a room feel smaller and chaotic. It's not about having less, but rather organizing more effectively. Use storage solutions and keep only what you truly love and need. On to mistake number 6, ignoring the entryway. Your entryway is the first impression of your home, yet it's often overlooked. To avoid this, add elements like a small bench, a mirror, or a console table to make it welcoming. Lastly, mistake number 7, choosing paint before furnishings. This limits your choices for furniture, fabrics, and decor. Instead, start with an inspiration piece and select paint colors that complement it. Being aware of these mistakes can save you a lot of time and money. Finally, let's look at mistake number 8 to 10. First up, we have the mistake of overdoing themes. While you might love a certain style or theme, going overboard can make your space feel more like a theme park than a home. The key is to incorporate elements of your favorite themes subtly, creating a balanced and tasteful decor. Coming up next at number 9, we have the error of not considering lighting. Good lighting can make or break the mood of a space. It's important to have a mix of different light sources at different levels to create a warm, inviting atmosphere. And lastly, mistake number 10, neglecting the ceiling. The ceiling is often referred to as the fifth wall, and ignoring it can result in a missed opportunity to add an extra layer of interest to your room. Consider painting it a light color, or adding decorative moldings for a polished look. Avoiding these mistakes can greatly improve the look and feel of your home. So, those are the 10 most expensive decorating mistakes and how to avoid them. Let's recap. From overspending on furniture to ignoring scale and proportion, and other blunders we've discussed, it's clear that each mistake could cost you not just financially, but also in terms of your home's aesthetic appeal. The key to avoiding these pitfalls lies in careful planning and thoughtful budgeting. Remember, a well-decorated home is not about the most expensive pieces, but about creating a harmonious, comfortable space that reflects your style. We hope you found this video helpful. What are your thoughts on these decorating mistakes? Have you made any of them before? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Serene Shelter. Until next time, keep creating beautiful spaces.